Good afternoon, you two. Well, morning, I guess. It's actually almost 5 in the morning here. I don't think I ever made a video about this. This is my Browning tuner. I picked this up at Kutztown a couple weeks ago. Browning Laboratories. Those of you who may be familiar with CB equipment are probably used to Browning in that respect. That is a Browning Golden Eagle. But they also made other things like this. This is an RJ12A tuner. Pretty busy for just a tuner. It's got a lot of tubes in here. It's very crusty. It's not quite as bad as it was when I got it, but it's still pretty nasty looking. Let's flip this thing over. This was designed for console mounting. As you can see, there's a bunch of new parts in there. Bad capacitors. The AM detector diode was actually bad. I've never seen that before. Someone had done strange things over here to the FM section. There was a wrong cap installed here. This is a 30 picofarad. Someone had put in a 4700 picofarad cap, which completely killed the FM section. I have no idea what purpose that served other than to kill the FM section. Down here on both of these tubes, this resistor had been removed and just replaced with a jumper, and this connection here, this is the cathode resistor, and this connection here would have been a screen. This is the screen. It's just grounded according to the schematic. There's a 47 ohm resistor on this. I don't know what these were supposed to do, but what it did is it made the FM section pretty feeble, so I replaced both of those. This tube socket here is falling apart. You're not going to be able to see it, but they're supposed to have these little ears where the wires solder to. This one in here, this pin number 7, it's not there. A piece of wire is stabbed through the socket and it just kind of pokes out of the top side. That's how it makes connection. Not very good. And the burned resistor, that was my fault. I turned it on and I had accidentally touched something together over there. I'll replace that later, but I have to replace that tube socket, and it solders to it, so I'll just do that at the same time. So I did add a fuse to it because fuses are good, and I put a new cord on it, but the original end was pretty cool, so I recycled the original cord end. But anyway, there you have it. I was told this thing was made in the late 1940s. I can't actually date it with any certainty, but late 40s, early 50s sounds right. It certainly looks it. The faceplate is not original. Interestingly enough, this faceplate, it looks like it kind of belongs here. It's actually the same faceplate that's on my Scott SLR12B. This plastic piece is the one that's missing from the Scott. So I don't really know why that's there, but someone made this. It's just a sheet of aluminum. You can see there's a hole here. Nothing's supposed to go there. So I don't really know what that's about. But anyway, there you have it. Made in USA. Works pretty good for as old as it is. Thanks for watching.